Have you ever been here or any rural area where there are beautiful crops? This is wheat crop, and those are homes of my village. Mashallah, what a beautiful view of village surrounded by many green trees. Uh, this is the wheat crop, and this is the grass sown for animals. And there are some mustard plants which would bloom soon and would enhance beauty of land. Mashallah, very beautiful area to enjoy and walk here and take a fresh breath. These are trees which have been cut for the food of cattle, especially goats and sheep. This is the sun, wants to set in soon.